When asked to count employees by department, most candidates remember couldn't but forget the group by clause that makes it actually work. Let's break down the complete solution. The foundation of this query requires two essential components working together. First, the can_aggregate function tallies up rows. Second, group by partitions your data into buckets based on the department column. Without group by, count gives you one total across everything. With group by, you get separate counts for each unique department value. This combination is the backbone of all grouping queries in SQL. Here's how the grouping mechanism works under the hood. SQL scans through your employees table row by row. It creates invisible buckets labeled by department name, like engineering, sales, and marketing. Each employee gets dropped into their department's bucket. Finally, count tallies the rows in each bucket separately, giving you per department totals instead of one grand total. Let's look at the complete query anatomy. You select two things, the department column itself, so you know which count belongs to which department, and cont star, or cont of a specific column. The from clause references your employees table. Then group by department tells SQL to create those separate buckets. Adding AS employee count as an alias makes your output readable and professional. Remember these key variations. You can use cont star to count all rows, or cont of a specific column to ignore nulls. If department data lives in a separate departments table, you'll need a join before grouping. And you can add order by employee count descending to see your largest departments first. These refinements show you understand real-world SQL beyond just memorizing syntax. Master the group by and comp combo. Always select the grouped column alongside your aggregate, and you'll ace any grouping question. Practice this pattern on LeetCode SQL problems to build muscle memory. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.